guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pranjala and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my second PR package from MyGlam, or you would say my Christmas gift from MyGlam. So yeah, in case you do not know, I'm MyGlam EXO beauty creator. That is why I get MyGlam PR packages almost every month. So yeah, I got my first in November. I did not share that with you, but I thought of sharing this one with you guys because in the end I'll also be sharing with you guys how you can get your free product from MyGlam this Christmas. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. Alright guys, so this is how the box looks like. This is a really nice standard MyGlam box and this is what I received. You can see here's MyGlam written, and on the back of the box you see all the three signs that says MyGlam is cruelty free, paraben free, and also it is made with natural ingredients. So I'm pretty happy to be having such products, that are cruelty free. Okay, now let's open up the box and see what we got inside it. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is how you receive all the MyGlam packages. So this is not any different sort of packaging. This is how it looks like. This is a cardboard packaging and you can see, I think, all the products. Yeah, so the very first thing here is a bubble wrap. Okay, so you can see all the products here. I did open this but other than that, I opened nothing. Only I know how I've controlled myself till now. Okay, so let's start with the very first thing that we got. This is MyGlam Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB Foundation. This is how it looks like. And I got the shade Oak. So you get 5.8 grams of product for 950 rupees. And this is made in USA, not India. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, all the MyGlam products that you will open, you'll always see something written on, this flap that you see. So यहाँ पे लिखा है guilt free glamour. So this is how the foundation or BB stick looks like. This has a very nice packaging, so I definitely like the packaging. It's kind of small, like I was not expecting this to be this small, but okay, it's okay. Let's see how it looks like on the inside. So this is how it looks like. Let's just open it and see कितना ज़्यादा ये खुलता है. Okay, so that's it. You get 5.8 grams of product for 950 rupees. Now let's just swatch it. So this is the shade that I got. It is Oak. This is how it looks like. Okay, it is very blendable. As you can see, it just got blended in like a snap, but I don't think you'll get much coverage with it. Obviously you can layer it. For example, let's just do something. Let's just add more coverage to this and then we can again blend it. So it is easy to blend, no doubt, but I don't think this is a lot of coverage. Yeah, it is a BB stick and that is why it's going to give you less coverage than a foundation, obviously. I will only be able to give you guys the full-fledged review of this product once I'm done using it on my face. अभी तो हाथ पे बहुत जल्दी से glide भी हो गया था and blend भी हो गया, but the main thing is how it works on the face. So in case you would like to see me using it for the very first time on my face, like first impression on the camera, then make sure to comment down below ASAP. Okay. So this is the first product that I received in this box and this is their newly launched product. I believe there are a lot of other products in the clean beauty range as well. So do check it out. I will be giving you the links in the description box of all the products that I'll be showing in the video. So don't worry about that. You can check for yourself. Now moving on to the second product that I got. This is the MyGlam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. So I'm pretty excited for this. This looks pretty nice. Like the outer packaging looks kind of chic, as you can see. Now let's open it and see what is there. Okay, as I told you, यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ लिखा ही होता है. So on this one, it is Live Glamorous. This is what is written on the box as well. So same. Alright, so the packaging is quite luxurious. As you can see, the gold packaging with white, it's so beautiful. It is actually very attractive. So this is My Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. The shade that I received is Passion. Again, on the back of the box, you have everything mentioned. So this is a very good thing. You have literally everything mentioned, from ingredients to manufacturing date to everything. Okay, so you get 3.7 grams of product for 695 rupees, and this is how the crayon looks like. Oh my god, okay. The shade is beautiful. Shade is beautiful, no doubt. Let's swatch it. Why not? Let's swatch it. Shade is beautiful, as you can see. I really like dark shades, and yeah, it glided quite easily, so that's a good thing. Smells nice. Yeah, it does smell nice. So this is how the shade looks like. I really cannot wait to wear this because I love these sorts of dark shades. And this is retractable, you guys, so this is the best part. So I don't like those products you need to sharpen because it is such a mess, and it also wastes a lot of product. So it is retractable, so voila, that's a plus point, and it's a beautiful shade. And definitely you have a wide variety of shades in the range, so you can check it out. So this is the second product that I got, which is their matte lip crayon. It is moisturizing, at least on the hand it is, but rest we can only say after applying it on the lips. So this was the second product that I got. Okay, so now it's time for us to see the last two products that I received. These are from the same range. These are the K-Play range products from My Glam. The packaging, you can see, is exactly same because they are from the same range. So the very first thing I have here is the My Glam K-Play Rose Highlighter. So this is how it looks like. I love the packaging. Such fruity, summery packaging this is. I really like the packaging. Love it. Again, on the back of the box, you have everything mentioned, from manufacturing date to literally everything. So you get this product for 645 rupees, and quantity that you get here is 9 grams for 645 rupees. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is quite nice. And again, I told you, कुछ ना कुछ लिखा होता है. इसमें लिखा है crushing on flavor, and it has some foam packaging on the inside. ऐसा अभी तक किसी product में नहीं था. So ये K-Play वाले products में ही होगा. So let's see how this looks like. Wow, I love the color. This is so luxurious. I mean, look at the color of the packaging. I mean, just look at it. This is such a nice nude peachy color. I really like it. Front पे same K-Play Rose Highlighter लिखा है, and the shade that I have got is 02 Pink Rose. And again, on the back you have everything mentioned. Okay, this is how it looks like. They have a full size mirror. Oh my god, look at that highlighter, you guys. This is such a beautiful highlighter. Oh my god, wow. I love this swirling pattern going on right here. Beautiful. Let's just watch it because I cannot wait. I can't see it because it's a highlight. It's a bronze highlighter, I would say. I think you can use it for bronzing as well, but let's just watch it. Can you see it? Oh, no, it's not a bronze highlighter. It is rose. This is how the highlight looks like. You can use the highlighter as a blush as well. This has pink undertone to it, and yeah, it's not very shimmery. It does not have any chunk whatsoever. I'm not a big fan of subtle highlighters, but I quite like the formulation and I like how smooth this is. So this was the second last product. Now moving on to the last product that I received from My Glam. So this is their K-Play Strawberry Blush. Again, the packaging is exactly the same. And Again, on the back of the box, you have everything mentioned. This is also for 645 rupees and you get 9 grams of the product, just like the highlight. Okay, now let's see. अब अंदर की पैकेजिंग का है कि बिल्कुल सेम ऐसा ही है या डिफरेंट है. So let's see. I hope different हो थोड़ा. Again, you see foam packaging. ये foam packaging है इसमें. And यहाँ पे भी यही लिखा है crushing on flavor. I think same है. Yeah, it is exactly the same. देखो. It's exactly the same. This is the highlight, this is the blush. They both are same. I think इनको outer packaging का color different रखना चाहिए था ना. Like थोड़ा अलग रखना चाहिए था. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Because they belong to the same range, they have same color and same packaging, same everything. So this will also have a full size mirror. Here we have it. I'm not showing you guys the mirror, okay? So this is how the blush looks like. Again, this has a swirling pattern going on. I really like this bright pink blush. So this is officially my first blush ever. अभी तक मैं सिर्फ लिपस्टिक्स को एज अ ब्लश यूज करती थी या फिर कुछ आई शेडो होते थे ना, वो मैं ब्लश इधर यूज कर लेती थी. बट नाउ आई फाइनली हैव अ ब्लश, प्रॉपर ब्लश. लेट्स वॉच इट. It's a Barbie pink color. It's a literal Barbie pink color. Where to swatch it? Here. Oh my god, like, look at it. It's a Barbie pink color. So this is in the shade 02 Juicy Strawberry. On the back, everything mentioned again. So yeah guys, that's it for the mini My Glam PR package haul. I really am very excited to try these out, and do let me know if you want to see a first impression of these products. I do have 5 more products of My Glam, like 2 of them are nail paints, so excluding them I have 2 lipsticks, 1 eyeliner and 1 nude lip liner. So I have 4 products other than the nail paints and other than these. So if you want to see a full face using My Glam products, then please let me know in the comment section and I will give you my honest review about the products as well. Now on to the exciting part, which is how you can get your free My Glam product this Christmas. So all you have to do is, I will be putting up a link in description box. That is a link to one of my videos in which I told you guys how you can get your free liquid matte lipstick from My Glam. I have used these lipsticks. I have 2 of the shades and I absolutely love it. Even right now I'm wearing their shade Cuffings with their nude lip liner in the shade Basic. So I really like the combo of the 2. And you can definitely give that a shot. You will get the lipstick for free. If you see that video, you will know the basic steps, how to fill the survey and everything. That video is very short, just to explain you guys about the process. Although if you don't want to watch the video, I will put the link in description so you can quickly go ahead and fill the survey and get your free lipstick. So yeah. Also, I think My Glam has started with another survey with which you can get a free eyeliner. So I will give that link in description box as well. So in case you want to check out the free eyeliner, you can go for that. If you want a free lipstick, you can go for that, or you can go for both. Alright guys, so this was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, please take care of yourselves. Bye.